In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving circle geometry for JAMB Maths. Alright, so we're going to practice with repeated questions under circle geometry for your JAMB Maths. Alright, so let's begin with this question we have here. We have this question. It says in the diagram below, we have the center O of the circle. If angle TUR is 50 degrees, find the value of angle TOR. So basically, they are looking for the size of the center of this circle, which is the size of O. Alright, now note that the size of the center of a circle in circle geometry, this is one of the rules of circle geometry. The size of the center is twice the size of any other parts of the circle. So here we have 50 as the size of the circle given in this question. So to get the middle of this circle, it will now be, you double this 50, it will now be 50 degrees times 2, which will give you what, 100 degrees. And that's all. You don't need to solve much. So the correct option to this question is option D, 100 degrees. Alright, now guys, I have a separate video in this channel where I treated in details circle geometry, where I took my time to explain the rules, the concept behind circle geometry. So it will be really worthwhile watch the video so that you will understand circle geometry in details. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Let's wipe this. Alright, so the next question we are going to solve, the next repeated question I'm going to solve will be this question. So we have in the diagram above, POQ is a diameter of the circle PQRS. If angle PSR equals 145 degrees, find the x degree. So we're looking for the value of this x degree. Now, for this particular question, all you simply have to do to solve this problem will be to subtract 90 degrees from 145. So 145 degrees minus 90 degrees. We are looking for the value of x here. Alright, so when you subtract 90 degrees from 145 degrees, you're going to have an output of 55 degrees. That will basically be the answer to this question. Let's verify this calculation. Yeah, 55. So that will be the answer of this question. So take note of this question. Remember, this is a repeated question in case it happens to come up for you in your JAMB Maths exam. So let's wipe this and solve the next question. Alright, so the next repeated question we are going to solve will be this question. Alright, so it says in the diagram, O is the middle of the diagram. Alright, is the center of the circle. If SOQ is a diameter and angle, this stands for angle, PRS is 38 degrees, what is the value of angle PSQ? Now I want to explain something here. For instance, we are asked to find angle PSQ. Now this representation in mathematics, basically they are looking for the angle in the middle, which is angle X, this one in the middle. So when you see this kind of representation, note that they are looking for the middle alphabet, the angle of the middle alphabet. Alright, so we are looking for the angle here, basically for this X. Alright, so that's what this means. Now this is also a cyclic quadrilateral, alright, under circle geometry. So remember, the sum of the opposite angles equals 180 degrees. So basically, to solve this question, it's going to be, looking for the angle X. Let's call, okay, this is going to be X plus 38 degrees plus 90 degrees equals 180 degrees. Make X solve the formula. X will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 38 degrees. Alright, so when you let's punch it in the calculator and see the output, 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 38. So we have the output to be what, 52 degrees. So the correct option in this question is option B, 52 degrees. So take note of this particular question. This is the right answer to it, 52 degrees. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now and solve the last question, and after it we can call it a class. Alright, so let's wipe this. Next, on the last question, what that we're going to solve will be this question. Okay, now guys, before you solve this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Really appreciate this, guys. So having done that, let's go ahead and solve this question. This question looks like the previous one we finished solving. Alright, but let's still solve this particular one. It says in the diagram above, O is the center of the circle, POM is a diameter and angle, MNQ equals 42 degrees. Calculate the angle QMP. Now, basically, what they mean, let me show you. They are looking for calculate the angle QMP. So they are looking for this middle alphabet, the size of the angle of this middle alphabet M. So they are looking for this place as well. Alright, so it will be the same procedure. M plus 42 degrees plus 90 degrees, okay, equals 180 degrees. So we make M solid formula. M will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, okay, minus 42 degrees. So let's punch everything on the calculator and see what's going to give us. So we have 180 degrees minus 90 minus 42. So we have the output to be what, 48 degrees. So the correct option this question is what, option B, 48 degrees. As simple as this. This is basically how you can solve this kind of problems under circle geometry. These are repeated questions for JAMB Maths I have come across, I have seen. Alright, so take notes of them in case any of them happens to show up for you. You won't find it difficult to get the right option. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to the channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel on what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'm sure to give you a response. Alright, don't forget to check my video on circle geometry where I explain in detail the rules involved in circle geometry. Check the WIAC playlist of this channel. You will see the video, watch it, and you will be glad you did. Alright, now click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.